Welcome everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We'll be exploring Usool al-Tafsir, an essential topic in understanding the foundations of Quranic interpretation. This session is brought to you by Continuous Learning Development, and you can find more information on our website, cldinstitute.com. Over the next few minutes, we'll review the key principles and methods used in Tafsir, helping you deepen your understanding of the Quran. Let's get started. Let's take a moment to explore the concept of definitions. In essence, definitions are the foundation of understanding. They clarify what we are talking about and set the boundaries for the discussion. When we define a term, we're not just giving a dictionary description, we're framing how that term fits into our overall context. This is especially important because clear definitions help prevent misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page. As we move through this presentation, keep in mind that well-crafted definitions are crucial for building a common language, which is key for effective communication and decision-making. So, understanding these definitions thoroughly will help us grasp the more complex ideas we'll encounter later. Let's take a closer look at Usool at-Tafsir. Essentially, it means the fundamental or basic principles of Quranic interpretation. Think of it as the foundational knowledge you need to understand and explain the Quran accurately. When we talk about these fields of knowledge, we're referring to things like Arabic grammar and syntax, which help us understand the language of the Quran. We also need familiarity with Arabic literature and the sciences of the Quran, known as Ulum al-Quran, which deepen our comprehension. Moreover, for a modern and comprehensive tafsir, understanding some social sciences and other related disciplines can be very beneficial. These areas help us see the Quran in the context of our current world, making the interpretation more relevant and meaningful today. So, in essence, Usool at-Tafsir is about acquiring the necessary knowledge to interpret the Quran correctly, combining classical sciences with modern insights to ensure we stay true to the message while making it accessible. This aligns with our overall goal of continuous learning and understanding the divine guidance accurately. Today, I want to emphasize the importance of the goal of Usool at-Tafsir. The main aim is to identify the step-by-step methods used in interpreting the Quran. This systematic approach helps us avoid the common pitfall of interpreting verses based on personal desires or whims. As Allah, the Almighty, warns us in the Quran, and who is more astray than one who follows his desire without guidance from Allah? Quran 28:50. This clearly shows that following personal desires can lead us away from true guidance. When we interpret the Quran without proper methodology, we risk misguidance, and history has shown us that many misguided sects have emerged through incorrect interpretations of the Quranic verses. That's why having a solid understanding of Usool at-Tafsir is so crucial. It acts as a safeguard against misinterpretation and ensures we stay aligned with authentic guidance. In essence, the goal is to equip ourselves with the correct tools and principles so that our understanding of the Quran remains pure, accurate, and true to its intended message. This is how we uphold the integrity of our faith and protect ourselves from falling into error.